Was that smoke? Or was that just... I'm assuming that's steam.
Pauline's 36-year-old caravan.
Haven't you?
Yes, come in and have a look.
Oh, thank
lovely.
you. Bertie's doing well. He's decided to sit on a buttercup.
We've eaten our weight in food.
Where are we going to? Searching another view. We want you to join us too. We're plodding along. Join us too. We're plodding along. Plodding along. We're plodding along. Yeah.
Right, let's go and get our one night free.
We's had to get a heavier hammer. They very kindly lent it to us, so I'm gonna try and bash these things in.
Got to get through this Derbyshire rock.
Oh! Got it. It's gone. We're not being mean to flies, are we?
Yes, kind of, but they're not invited.
Are we being mean to them? I'm just guiding them
Yeah,
gently.
they're not getting squished.
I'm guiding them gently. Guiding them gently out. Here we go. We've got crackers. Crackers for a snack. We've got no food and we need to go shopping tomorrow. Why don't we prepare?
Well, we've got food, but we can't... Do you want to cook now?
No!
Let's have crackers.
We've got cheese. Let's put cheese on our crackers. Come on.
I'm all right with the cracker.
One thing I won't do
Yeah.
is go to the shower block
Yeah.
and then come back in my dressing gown and pyjama. No, there's
So
got to be
I don't
some rules.
understand because I actually would do that.
No, there's got to be rules. That's ridiculous. Walking around in your
No,
dressing gown
I'm
and
fine
pyjamas.
with that. I'll do that. That's. In fact, I'm going to do that. So look at what I'm wearing now.
What, you're going to put your pyjamas on and walk around the
I'm wearing
campsite?
full
Oh, she's got her pyjamas on. Yes, but you haven't completely because you've got a sweatshirt on.
Yeah, but you know, between here and there.
Yeah, well done. She's embraced the campsite.
Being here with you and the children at Christmas is one of the things I'm most looking forward to.
It's 5 a.m. and the rains have started, so I'm going to close the pop top. What a difference a day makes, guys. It's raining, but we were ready for the rain. We put the awning up in advance of the rain. And we're living in the awning. We're going to ride it out. Cindy's doing a bit of office work.
Right, guys, look, we've got this new oven. I got it on Amazon. I'm not sure where it came from, but there are a few clues. So it looks pretty, doesn't it? It's the right colour for this pod. And we're going to try and make some toast. We're going to make beans on toast. And I don't want to blow anything up, so here goes.
Does that mean it's on?
Yeah. Get 2 bits in.
So you're going to bake the toast?
No, no, they're going to heat up, aren't they?
Is that smoke? Or is that just... I'm assuming that's steam. Oh, I don't like it. God, this is terrifying. Yes, going brown underneath. What? I'm going to turn it. Look!
My goodness, the people in Belper are amazing. I was just paying for a ticket and this guy stopped and gave us his ticket because he's leaving. He's got another 2.5 hours.
What?
Thank you.
Excellent.
Thank you, Belper. And thank you, lovely gentlemen. Today was the day that Belper were holding their Goes Green festival, so we thought we'd take a look. We found the very first Pride Dog Show of Belper, and look at this handsome chap, Bruce, the winner. I caught Lexi cheating, and that laugh won't get you out of this, sis.
No, it's
Yeah, this is today's episode. No, it's annoying. I've got nothing. What can I wipe it with?
Look, she's just spilled, and it's...
I just tipped a bloody drink all over
She's
it.
just spilled.
Look, soaked.
today this good, to be fair.
Oh, just so grateful.
You can't have your cake and eat it.
Oh yes, I did.
In line.
I did.
Meet our new friend Pauline.
It's amazing because you do it all by yourself, and I love the story of your caravan. It's how old?
36-year-old, 1990 eldest wisp. Yes,
And
and I've
still-
had it since it was 2-year-old.
And it's still going strong.
The gentleman that services it says he's seen caravans less than 2 years old with more damp in than mine is.
That's amazing.
That's what you want. You've got a good one there. Good to get Ivy
She's my
on.
soulmate.
Will you stop at a services on the way home?
Oh yes, I will.
And then you don't have trouble getting in and out.
Oh no, it's no problem.
Because that's the thing that we
well,
worry
except
about.
that cars and caravans, the signposts aren't very well noted on motorway service areas. I landed up the other day where all the electric vehicles were being charged.
Oh God.
And there was no turnaround, there was a T-junction. Well, I started to reverse, but I couldn't see where I was going. A young lad came and did it for me.
Oh yes,
that's
a man. You had a man help
We
you.
always have to get a man.
Yes, I had to swallow it.
We swallow our pride. We find ourselves in that situation quite a lot. Hello.
Morning.
Hello.
We try not to get a man, but there's times when you have to get a man. So this is it. This is the caravan that's been going on for years and years and years.
36-year-old caravan.
Yes, come in and have a look.
Oh, thank you. Do you want-
Go in and...
Okay.
as I say, it's
Oh, it's
very
got an end kitchen. That's my favourite. Space.
Oh yes.
Do you mind us filming this?
No, not at all. I don't have any mod cons. I don't have an oven.
No.
I only have 2 gas rings
Yeah.
and a grill. I bought myself a nice little air fryer. So it's great because I'll get a meal for one in there.
Yes.
You know, like a ready meal.
How do you find towing it?
It's quite nice to tow actually. It's fine.
I love this independence. This is what I want.
I love the
I
independence.
think generally I've always been an independent person.
Yeah.
I could live in this.
Oh, I love it.
Ivy, hi.
Oh, you beggar.
Let's take email and then let's arrange a trip.
We'll take emails.
I just want to say that this has been the most inspiring
Yes.
hour ever with Pauline. She is 80 years old.
A next birthday.
In June. In July.
Soon,
sorry.
yeah. And look at Pauline.
Independent.
Towing the van, going everywhere on her own with little Ivy. We're inspired. Bye then. Thank you for being so inspiring. We'll see you soon.
We're off for a stroll to the pub
We booked a table for 2
for 3 o'clock.
for Sunday lunch.
Yay! This is a bit treacherous on the road.
It is a road, isn't it? So we'll just keep to the left. It's nice.
We made a mistake getting one each, didn't we? I'm actually coming to the end.
How much she's got now?
I don't like leaving it in case they think we don't like it, but I do. But it's just a huge portion. Oh. No. Should we get a share of dessert?
That is nice. I don't know how to squeeze this in. We're not used to eating our own meals, one each, one meal each, and we couldn't finish our one meal each. And then Clever Clog said, let's have a sponge cake
I know,
afterwards.
but how can we manage to finish the sponge cake when we couldn't finish our main meal? Naughty. We spent a lifetime telling our kids, eat, you're not having a dessert if you don't eat your main meal. Well, we've done exactly that. We haven't eaten our main meal, but we managed to polish off a treacle pudding. So now we know how kids operate.
Yeah, now I'm going to give them an easy life from now on, aren't you?
Oh, definitely.
Yeah, let's get to the dessert. Those lovely stone walls, let's take it home and give it some sugar water. If it's alive.
Yes, it is. It's on
Okay.
its last legs. You're going to be fine. Just hang
in
in
there.
there. Think about all the pollen you can have tomorrow.
He's exhausted. He doesn't want to think about pollen. He mustn't feel under threat.
No. That's it. Oh, yeah.
He's doing things with his wings now. Can it work that quickly?
Should we put him outside then? No, that's it.
Looks like a normal bee now. Oh, there's a mate.
It was clear Bertie wasn't quite ready to be released, and it started to rain, so we made a bee hospital for Bertie to stay with us overnight.
We've got Bertie in the bee hospital. We've just picked him some flowers. He acted like he was going to fly off, but then he just went a little bit quiet. It was all too much. So we found some flowers for him, and we'll just hang on to him like a little bee pet until he's ready to fly
Till
off.
he gains some strength.
Yeah. Bertie's doing well. He's decided to sit on a buttercup.
He's in the
And
bee hospital.
he's free to go whenever he wants. There's no lid on this. It's going to be our breakfast.
That was going to be our breakfast. Got a
So-
little bit left. What a waste.
Yeah.
Goodbye, granola.
As our breakfast ended up on the floor, we decided to give Bertie his breakfast and head out to Belper to find some for ourselves. Yes, he's flying now.
Yeah.
I'm really going to miss that little fella.
Yeah, we got quite attached to him.
Oh, you're adorable. This is sweet. Meet all these wonderful people.
Meet Julie, our pitch neighbour. She brought us some very welcome ice cream. That cheered us up after Bertie's departure.
Thank you, Julie and Mick. We love our ice cream. Right, so we're having a really hot few hours and we're making the most of it. But we've just read on a weather report that it's going to rain tonight. So we're leaving in the morning and we need to get this awning down so we're not packing up a wet, sodden awning and have to deal with the consequences. So
Let's get on with
let's
it.
get on with it. In the awning, you can have a cup of tea.
In the awning, you can save a bumblebee.
Everyone in the awning, you can store your muddy shoes.
In the awning, you can have some fizzy booze.
In the awning, in the awning, in the awning. This is a perfect end to a really lovely trip, isn't it? Having dinner with that beautiful view and the sun coming down. Yeah, fabulous.
Stunning.
Rain's coming. We better speed up our packing up. So it started, we were expecting it, so I'm glad we got the awning down. We've packed everything up, I don't know if you can hear me, packed everything up, we're just about to hitch up and drive off. Good timing.
Good timing. Let's go. Thank you so much for watching, and if you liked us, why don't you subscribe, like or comment? That helps our little channel grow.
Before you go, meet our pitch pals from this episode.